Hey, what's up, everybody? Hope y'all see here over my shoulder. We are at an airport. We're Phoenix, Arizona. We made it. It's Friday night. It's 11:45 at night. I'm tired. I thought I was gonna fly out tomorrow. It was about 5 o'clock today. They said, "Oh, hey, by the way, your plane leaves at 8:25." I was at the office in meetings. My luggage was at my room there in Dallas, so I quickly had to catch a ride. They had someone come pick me up at the office. They took me to my motel room there in Dallas. I quickly packed my bags and jumped back on the shuttle, on the bus, van. And they took me to DFW airport. And I got on a plane. Flew to Phoenix. Sorry, I'm tired. Been a long day. I got up about 6 this morning. Pretty much been going ever since. Now I'm waiting on someone to come take me to a room. Trying to get a room. My company was pretty much like, "Hey, you go to Phoenix. Here's an address where to pick up a truck tomorrow. Have this truck picked up by 3 o'clock tomorrow. Good luck." I mean, they gave me some money. But they don't like book you a room or do anything like that. They're like, "Good luck." It's kind of weird. I guess it's just the way it goes. So now I'm waiting on a shuttle. For some reason they're really busy here. I don't know if something's going on. I don't know what's going on. Called a few motels. They said they were already booked up. You know, of course I'm not staying at anything super nice. Nothing special. So yeah. But tomorrow we're gonna go check out a new truck. We'll get on the road again. So I'm excited about that. That means more videos. Actual videos, and not just the horrible videos that have been going on for almost 2 weeks. I apologize. But yeah, I was gonna try to, get ready to film on the plane, and I was in such a rush. I really, to be honest, I didn't even think about it. And I was sitting out here waiting on this thing. I said, well, why not ramble on a little ways and get you guys some talking. Hopefully you can hear me. It's loud. But yeah, tomorrow back on the truck. I'm excited. Add new truck. Not the Peterbilt. We're gonna be on a Kenworth T680. I have no idea what this truck's gonna look like. I mean, I know what the model truck looks like, but I have no idea what condition this truck's in or any of that. So we may or may not do a tour tomorrow. I really don't know, but we're gonna get on the road. I'm ready to get on the road, man. But yeah, maybe we'll film later on. Maybe I'll film some in the room, but that's it for now.